Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial I will show you how you can convert PDF file into a DOCX or MS Word file format. So you can see here we are going to use a pdf2docx package, and this package does not exist in the standard Python library, so you must install it in your environment or project. And as you can see, it extracts data from PDF and parse layout with rule and generates DOCX file. So let's open a command prompt on your computer and install this package by writing pip install pdf2docx like this and hit enter. And it takes some time, downloads the package and installs on your system. And as you can see here, it successfully installed pdf2docx package on your system. So here I'm not going to use any IDE like a Visual Studio, but I will use here a Python shell. So open a Python shell like this, and then here you have two ways to convert PDF to DOCX, and this package provide a class called converter that you can use to convert a PDF to DOCX. Let me show you. So here you can see here it says we can use either the converter class or the method parse to convert all specified PDF pages to DOCX. So first we will start with the converter class. So this package contains converter class. So first import it. So write from PDF to DOCX, then import converter class and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully imported converter class. Now, here you need to provide two things to convert PDF to DOCX. First is the path of the PDF file. Wherever your PDF file is stored on the system, you must know the path and provide that path to this converter class. And the second is the path where you want to save your converted DOCX file on your system. So first, I'm going to define the PDF file path. So I will create a variable PDF file path like this and equal to, and for example here I have a sample PDF, and let me open, and as you can see it contains some text and image. So I'm going to convert this PDF into a DOCX. So to check its path, right click on it and go to properties and copy all of this, and then go to your command prompt and within a single quote paste this. And one thing you need to make sure, instead of this backward slash you have to use a forward slash, otherwise you will get the error. So change each backward slash to forward slash like this, and after this path you need to specify the name of the PDF file, which is the sample.pdf in my case, and specify the single quote. And you can see here the name of the file is a sample and hit enter. Also you need to provide the path where you want to save your DOCX file. So DOCX file path, again create one variable, and I'm going to save it in a same directory here. So just paste it like this and change backward to forward like this, and then provide the file name. So in this case I'm going to give a same name, sample.docx like this, and hit enter. Now create an object of converter class. So I will call it cvobj equal to converter, and to this converter class you have to pass the path of the PDF file. So the path you have defined here, PDF file path, pass this to this converter class like this, PDF file path like this. So this converter class loads the PDF file and create an object. Hit enter. Now you have successfully loaded the PDF file and created a CV object. Now this converter class has a member function called convert. Remember, this converter class has a member function called convert, and this convert function is entirely responsible for converting PDF to DOCX, and it performs a certain task like it reads the PDF that you want to convert into DOCX and then extracts all the formatting information from PDF file page by page. So let me write. So I'm gonna use the cbobj, then call the convert function from the converter class, and to this convert function you have to pass the path of the docx file. So here we have defined the path docx file. So right here docx file path. It automatically creates a sample.docx at this location in your computer. So you can see it accepts a path of the docx file or path wherever you want to save your converted PDF into docx. So it's extract all this converter class, extract all the instruction element of the PDF file like headers, paragraph, tables, and other formatting attributes like a bold, italic, color, size, alignment. So overall, it extracts each element layout and formatting style of each page. After that, it generates docx element corresponding to extracted elements from the PDF file. Then it adds those docx element to the docx file. So now let's hit enter, and as you can see here, it's showing start to convert, and it converted the given sample PDF file into docx file. And if you see something like terminated in 0.31 second, then it successfully converted the PDF file into docx. And as you can see, it shows converted one page. You can see here in this output. Now if you go to the part that you have specified here, like C user Sora OneDrive desktop project, and you will see there your docx file. So if I will open this, and now you can see here, this is the converted docx file. And if I will open it, as you can see, this is the docx file containing the same text, same image, and same formatting style of the PDF file. So this is how you can use this converter class to convert the given PDF file into docx. Remember, you have to import the converter class and then specify the path of the PDF file which you want to convert. Then you need to define the path of the docx file where you want to save, where you want to create docx file. After that, you have to create an instance of a converter or object of converter class by passing it a PDF file path or the PDF path which you want to convert. Then you have to call the convert function from the class converter to convert the given PDF into docx. And finally, if you go to location, you will see the converted docx. So this is the first method. And the second approach you can see here, documentation is saying that it has a parse method. So I will go to the directory and change this PDF file name to something like a sample parse, like this. It is opened, so we can't convert. We need to call one more function, cbobj.close, to close this object, to close any resources held by this converter object, and hit enter. Now if we go back and change the name to something like parse, we successfully changed the name. Now here again import from pdf to docx. Then we will import the parse function like this. Now after importing parse, we need to again provide a PDF file path and docx file path. So I will simply copy this from here and paste it here. So here we are going to convert this file, this PDF file sample parse. So I will change the name to sample parse like this. And then also I'm going to save this docx file on the same path. So hit enter. I will copy that one and change its name to parse like this and hit enter. So to this parse function, you have to provide the PDF that you want to convert and the DOCX file path. So simply what you can do here, write a parse and provide the PDF file path like this, and then DOCX file path like this, and simply hit enter. It converts your PDF into DOCX. Go to the location and you can see here your converted DOCX, and if you open it, you can see all the data of the PDF file in DOCX format. So this is how you can use the converter class and parse method of a PDF to DOCX package to convert any given PDF file into a DOCX format. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.